Yep. Okay, so now I've got the hole made in the back of the trunk, and I've been driving for a while with everything back in the trunk. Now the fluid has gotten down to a point. It hadn't quite got the light come on yet, but I'm thinking it's going to. So I've got some big long trips coming up, so I wanted to go ahead and fix that problem that I have, put some more fluid in it so I don't have that problem. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take everything out of the trunk, and then we'll go from there. We're actually going to kind of time it. So we're going to look and see where we're at on the timer, and then we're going to take everything out, do it, and see how long it takes me to get in there and put the fluid in. Kind of give us an idea about how long it actually takes me to put fluid in the car when it needs it. So here we go. So much to take out. And now once we get to this point, we got to take the tub out. The easiest way to take the tub out is to, on the side toward the outside, to kind of push, to pull it out, kind of shove it that way and then pull it out. So if I can do that. I may not be able to, honestly. Hang on, here we go. There we go. So we got that side, get this side, and we just pop it up over the edge there, and now it just pulls up and comes out. The actual tank is up inside. I'm going to use a rag so I don't get my hands super dirty. We're going to reach inside, unscrew it, and pull it out. Pull the cap out. There it is. Now the cap's out. Now I'll get my oil. This little oil pump I got from AutoZone. Just any oil pump allows you to put your oil in here and compress it into a tube so you can reach the hole. That's all you need. So now I'm going to make sure that's somewhat clean because we don't want dirt getting down inside there. They really don't like dirt. So we're going to make sure that's wiped off. All right, so I'm just going to reach in there with my hand, feel the hole with my finger, and then put the tube in there. So here we go. There. And, oh, come on, there it is. There we go. And now I got the tube just stuck down in there. I'm just going to press it down, and there goes the oil. And we'll let all that run out. I don't know if that's enough or not, and the way you can tell on these things is where that lid is. You just stick your finger in there, and just as your finger goes over the edge, you should be able to feel the oil, and if you do, it's in there. You've got enough. So I'm going to do that. I don't think it is. I may need some more, but let's find out. There's the lid. Well, I'm feeling it, so it must be, I've got enough in there. So we're going to pull the hose out, try to keep it up. We're going to take this lid, put it back. Try not to drop it because that would be fun. There we go. Screw it down. Just a tight, and that's all we need. Then we pull this out, and now we're going to reverse everything. We just put it all back in. Same way with the tub. We're going to stick the front end first, and then just let the back end latch down. So here we go. Front end first, push it all the way in, and then just shove it down. Push that down to where it looks nice underneath. There we go. This side, done. And then I believe this was next. And then the stupid spare that does you no good since the pumps are gone. I don't know why I carry it around other than to hold the car down when I'm going down the road. The jack goes in. This goes in. Should be able to hit that hole. Screw that down. I don't screw it down all the way because it don't really matter. Put this in. Up against the back, down the front. Done. So that's all it takes. Now I put oil in my thing and now I'm happy I can drive for another, I probably put 300 miles on this thing. I went pretty good distance in the car. Longer trips, my car doesn't leak as much. So I'm thinking it's just only when I'm doing the shifting, of course, that it actually needs that fluid. So it's not in the pressured up pump section. I think it's only when it's trying to move a certain gear. That's when it leaks out that one connection. So hopefully it's just one connection. We'll get it figured out someday. But until then, I'm driving. I'm down the road. All right, that's it. That's all we got. Thanks.